pleasant day to all. My name is Dennis Ivan Chavez, but you can call me Bags. And I am from Gusa Regional Science High School 10. And for today, I will be preparing a copper 2 sulfate solution and a HCl solution. Furthermore, I will be calculating their molarity or moles per liter and their percentage by volume. But first, take off the jacket. Man's not hot. Take off the jacket. Second, wear your lab gown. Third, wear your gloves, eye protection or goggles, and a mask. What I want is 5 grams of copper 2 sulfate to be dissolved in 250 ml of water. So first, we need to plug into the formula. 5 grams of copper 2 sulfate multiplied by 1 mole of copper 2 sulfate divided by the molar mass of copper 2 sulfate, which gives us the number of moles, which is 0.03 moles of copper 2 sulfate. Next is to get the molarity. To put it simply, molarity is just the moles over liter. So we divide 0.03 moles of copper 2 sulfate by the 250 ml of water. But what if in your lab, there are no available 250 ml flasks and there are only 100 ml flasks? But fret not, there is a simple solution to that by using the formula presented above. We simply multiply molarity by the number of liters, and instead of 250, we replace it by 100. This gives us the moles of copper 2 sulfate, and by using stoichiometry, we achieve 1.81 grams of copper 2 sulfate. And if we compare mixing 5 grams of copper 2 sulfate with 250 ml of water and mixing 1.81 grams of copper 2 sulfate with 100 ml of water, we achieve the same molarity as presented above. Here are the materials needed for the experiment. First is we weigh 1.91 grams of copper 2 sulfate in a weighing scale. Dissolve the copper 2 sulfate in water. Stir it with stirring rod until the solution is homogenized. Place the funnel on the volumetric flask and pour the copper 2 sulfate solution. You may use the stirring rod as a guide so the solution may not spill. Next is to fill the volumetric flask up to 100 ml. But it is better to fill up until 100 by using the wash bottle by washing or cleansing any left out copper 2 sulfate in the beakers or stirring rod and the funnel. Mix the solution well by flipping the flask up and down for about 20 times. And that is how we prepare 5 molar of copper 2 sulfate solution. Preparing a hydrochloric acid or a hydrogen chloride solution. We need to use a pipette to extract the 20 ml of HCl. Pour a little amount of water first before adding the HCl. Take note, water always comes first before the acid because adding the acid first before the water may cause your solution to spike up in temperatures in a short period of time. Pour the remaining water so you can reach 100 ml of hydrochloric acid solution. And that is how we prepare 20% of HCl solution. To measure the content of the HCl in the solution by percentage, we simply use the formula percent by volume is equals to the volume of the solute divided by the volume of the solution times 100. That is all for today. Thank you for watching.